Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing fantastic and having a wonderful week. For today's video, I wanted to bring you guys something really quick and simple. It is just a quick Aldi haul. Aldi. What do you guys say? I've heard it both ways. I've heard the employees say it both ways, but I don't know. I always say Aldi. That's just how I say it, but you guys let me know down below how you say it. But I love Aldi so much. I am definitely an Aldi and Trader Joe's type of girl. You can get so much great food for such a low price, and especially me, I'm on a budget. I need to get good food in me that's inexpensive and fast, so I find that Aldi is one of the best places to shop. They just recently opened one near me within 2020 for sure, and it has just been my new go-to spot. Whenever I need to just go pick something up, instead of going to Walmart, I literally go to Aldi all the time, multiple trips a week. But yeah, I am 26 years old. I am single. I just cook for myself. So this is just a few little items that I picked up. I want to make this pasta dish that I needed some ingredients for, and just some regular pickups that I always get every single week to stock up my fridge. So yeah, if you guys like these types of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. I post new content here on my channel all the time. I post beauty, fashion, lifestyle, food, budgeting videos, all types of content. I'm sure there will be something that you like. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get into the haul. Okay guys, so let's get into this haul. So this is everything that I got. I will have the price on the screen for you guys. I don't remember how much I spent, but it was pretty inexpensive. Well, nothing crazy. It definitely wasn't over $50 for sure. So first thing is I got these dried cranberries, which are my favorite to put on salads and to have with some goat cheese, some lettuce, and these and some croutons. It's such a simple salad, but it's so good. I love getting these fresh peeled garlics. I love to put garlic in literally everything, and I find that peeling it is super annoying. So this is a great buy, and it comes with a lot in here, as you guys can see. So I love that. This is actually for my mom. My mom loves this cinnamon granola crunch. She likes to put it on her yogurt and everything like that, so I always pick one up for her. I personally don't like this one. I like the honey one. Cinnamon is just not my favorite. Moving on, I got some Parmesan cheese. This is for my mom as well. She's going to make some spinach pie from this cookbook that I got for Christmas, and I'm really excited. So that's just some Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to use this for a recipe that I'm doing, which I'll tell you guys more about when I get there. I also picked up a box of baby spinach. I actually picked up 2 boxes of baby spinach. I'll show you guys the other one. I picked up a box of 2 boxes of baby spinach. I go through spinach so fast because I put it in my smoothies, I put it in salad, and I literally have a smoothie every morning during the week. So it goes by really fast. And these boxes aren't huge, as you guys can see. They're not the super big ones, so I always get 2 of these. And these are organic, and they're only $2 at Aldi, which is amazing. Next up, I picked up this penne. This is literally 75 cents, you guys. It's amazing. I'm going to make this penne fontina cheese with prosciutto pasta bake kind of thing. It's from Laura in the Kitchen here on YouTube. I'm super excited to make that. And next up, I have just some blueberry bagels, something quick and easy for the morning. I am, in a rush, just need to get something in me super quick. That is great for that. This is my favorite coffee creamer ever. This is the white chocolate mocha. It is so good. I don't really get the mocha flavor, but it definitely tastes just really creamy and really chocolatey and smooth, and I put this in my coffee every single morning. I always stock up. It is so good, super inexpensive, and it's a huge thing, which I love. Next up, I did get some lunch meat. This is the organic turkey breast. This is just the oven roasted one. This is the Aldi brand, Simply Nature. It's really good. I love to make it put it on sandwiches in wraps, anything like that. It's really, really good. And then I also got a package of blackberries. I love to put these into my oatmeal in the morning for like lunch or anything like that. I always have to have blackberries in my oatmeal. I also picked up a package of this salami. This is the Aldi brand as well. I find that this is like the least expensive place to get it, and it's only $2.99, which I think is a great deal. Here I also picked up the Fontina cheese that I was telling you guys about, that I want to make the pasta dish. You needed Fontina, and I was so happy that they had it. I didn't have to go to like a separate store or anything, which I usually have to do to find like specialty cheese. Speaking of cheese, I also got this crumbled goat cheese with it's like a tomato and basil. I love to just sprinkle this on salad. I find that it adds really, really nice flavor, and it just is super easy to just toss in like a little pasta dish on top of a salad, anything like that. I also picked up this mixed greens. I love to have this just to throw, like I said, a salad together for lunch if I'm in a hurry, going to work in the morning or anything like that. It's super easy, and it's organic, and it has baby spinach, baby chard, and baby green kale, and it's really, really good. Super quick to just throw in to a container with some chicken, croutons, the dried cranberries, and this goat cheese, and you're good to go. And I also picked up some prosciutto. This is for the pasta dish that I'm going to make, and it's really inexpensive at Aldi. And then this is like great for like if you're doing a cheese board, if you're having friends over with like cheese, some olives, some of this, and some bread. That's like the perfect cheese board. I also picked up two of my favorite things from Aldi. It's this mixed fruit and tropical blend. Like I told you guys, I always have a smoothie in the morning, a green smoothie with my spinach. I put some of this in, some chia seeds, some yogurt, a banana, and some like orange juice or water, and it is so, so good. I love these. They're super inexpensive there too. You can get like the bigger packs, I believe, too, but those don't really fit in my freezer, so I always like to have two of these on hand because I go through them so quick during the week because, like I said, I'm a smoothie gal. And then lastly, I picked up this taco style cheese blend. It's a blend of cheddar, asadero, finely shredded cheeses with taco seasoning. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, like there's just like a little seasoning in it, and I love to put this with my cheesy ramen. It is so good. I love the flavor of it. But yeah, guys, that is actually all that I picked up for this trip to Aldi. It was really simple. Just got a few things to pick up for the week that I needed. I have a lot of stuff left over from last week, so I didn't need to get anything too crazy. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, let me know your favorite grocery store, or if you want to see more grocery store hauls, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.